So there comes the roof.
If you are unfit, don't do this.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. You can't.
Disclaimer.
Actually, you can try this at home.
Bro. Hello guys, what's up, what's going on? This is Rynox and welcome to my YouTube channel HOOGLY Traveler. So this is Queen and over it I have Rynox tank bag. Some of the changes you can see, the Rynox tank bag as well as this fog lamp, and I have bought a Rynox gloves too, which I will show you right now. And now the question is, where am I going? I am going to IMAMBARA Bandel. In Bandel there is a IMAMBARA which is very popular and it's pretty, close from my place, so we are going there. So these are the gloves, Rynox Evolution gloves. I will show you after wearing this. Not now. I will go into petrol pump first. I am not going alone. I have Kaushikda with me. Kaushikda is waiting for me at the petrol pump, and more I have Devrup and Shubho and his friend. Shubho will be riding his classic 350. You guys don't know Shubho. Shubho is new to you guys. So Shubho will be riding his classic 350. And his friend will be his pillion, and Devrup Devrup will be riding his newly modded classic 350 touring edition. So let's get the party started. अरे तू ये भाई
And yeah, finally we left all together, geared up.
Devrup was riding his newly modded classic 350 touring edition and Kaushik, as usual, he was riding his scooty. The new fellow Shoptik, he was riding his igniter, and Shubho was with his pillion Avijita on his classic 350. All were happy, we all were happy. We were riding through the roads, invading the places, clearing the wind and moving forward. We were feeling the wind, we were feeling the nature. We were enjoying, we were free.
So right now we are somewhere in between the Delhi road, between the highway. It's about 10 kilometers left for Chuchura, for Hooghly. And we have the team over here. That's Shubho, that's Avijita, that's Kaushikda. You guys already know him. He's very popular in my channel. And then you have that masked man over there is Devrup. I think you can identify him. And the guy over there is Shoptik. He's new to my channel. Not a new rider. He is a good rider.
He has been riding,
but not with me. It's the very first time with me. And yeah, this is the team. So let's go.
So this is the place where we parked all the bikes, and we kept our jackets and helmets over there. It's quite, trustworthy. And this is the Imambara, how it looks like from outside. It's getting repaired. So now we are going inside the Imambara. So these are the tickets which we got. We got 5 tickets. We have 6 members, but we got 5 tickets. One is free for him. He got free tickets.
Talking about Imambara, Hooghly Imambara is a Shia Muslim congregation hall and mosque in Hooghly. The construction of the building was started by Muhammad Mohsin in 1841 and completed in 1861. So it took almost 20 years to complete this, Imambara, and it is almost 157 years old. And until and unless you go to that place, you just don't know what is waiting for you.
Okay, so this is an antique clock over here. Can anybody read this clock? How do they calculate the time over here? Time ta kiভাবে থাকে কেন? এই সূর্যের আলো 12টা এটা 6টা 12টা তো কয়টা দুটো বাজে? সাড়ে চার তবে তো বুঝতে পারবে। ও 3:30 বাজে। 1 2 3 হ্যাঁ 3:30. Let me show you. Sure. So this thing means 12, and then you have the border over here, lines over here. This was 1 2 3. That means it's 12, then 1 o'clock, then 2 o'clock, then 3, then half means 3:30. Let's recheck. What's the time right now?
3:45 actually.
3:45. Yeah.
What is 3:45?
চলো ঘুরে ঘুরে যান
আরে যাও না কি আছে
আস্তে আস্তে ঠিক আছে তুই বস আপনি থাকুন
শুভ এটা কি করছিস
ঘুরে যান
ঘুরে বস
এই পাশে
ওরা তাই
এই তুই এদিকে বস আমি ওইদিকে যাই Okay, so we are over here in this boat. We have all the gang, but Devrup is there. He didn't come with us. And
we're just surfing over here actually.
I read somewhere, when you travel, you experience in a very practical way the act of rebirth. You confront completely new situations. The day passes more slowly, and most journeys you don't even understand the language the people speak. So you are like a child out of the womb. You begin to attach much more importance to the things around you because your survival depends upon them. You begin to be more accessible to others because they may be able to help you in difficult situations, and you accept many small favors from them with great delight, as if it was a new episode for you and you would remember for the rest of your life. At the same time, since all the things are new, you see only the beauty in them and you feel happy to be alive. And that's the same thing over here with me right now. I'm just on a small tiny boat with all my fellow friends, sailing over this river.
I guess you can see the bell out there. We are going to that bell from this way. Gents only, ladies not allowed. Why? I mean, why? Oh my god, look at Shubha, man. Come bro, come. Nothing is there, but it's kind of worth, kind of. And Debru is still struggling. That is the worst. Debru and Shubha is still struggling down there.
That is the how much it is worth. Their reactions.
Yeah, their reaction is what? The approximate. Debru, show yourself, bro. Where are you? 30 meters.
If you are unfit, don't do this.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. You can't.
Disclaimer.
Actually, you can try this at home.
Bro! Oh man, you did it.
Everyone knows there, I think.
So guys, all geared up to get down again.
It's a big mission.
It's a big mission. Debru, are you ready?
No.
No.
Clearly no.
Shubha, ready? Oh, photo session is going on. Oh, our cameraman. Oh, flash diye chhobi tulte. Vyapak. এই কটাই স্ট্রাগল করতে হবে, তারপর ছোট ছোট আছে ভাই। নাইস। আছে এখানে তোর পাওয়ার ব্যাংক, থ্যাংক ইউ। And so you all are getting ready. It's over. So that was HOOGLY IMAMBARA for you, and finally we are leaving. That's it for today, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then do hit the like button, do share with your friends, and I won't ask you to subscribe. Just enjoy. Thank you. Please. What please? I mean, bole ni subscribe korte.
What idea আমার idea তাহলে চলবে না।
No, I didn't ask them to subscribe. I said that I won't say subscribe. I just say that enjoy. Enjoy my ride. Enjoy my journey. You know what traveling taught me? It taught me to experience things, not to learn. When you travel, you experience through it. You go through it. You have been through it. So you know each and every point of it. It's not about learning. Traveling is all about experience. And the moment you start enjoying this experience, it gets into you like a drug. Yeah, at least for me it is. Maybe it's kind of weird for you guys, but then this is the truth. This is the case for me. This is how I travel, and I'm going to share with you guys as well. I hope you guys gonna be with me as well. I just wanna say you guys that just be with me and experience my journey as well with me. That's it. Nothing else. Thank you. Thanks for watching.